Konnichiwa!
Welcome to Wrapsesh.
This week, we are featuring a custom car wrap reveal, which is just about ready to go out to the SEMA show in Las Vegas. Biggest car show ever, I think.
Almost, yeah.
This is our favorite trade show to attend. We do live demos and things like that, so this is one of our cars that's gonna be out there. We're just getting all the little finishing touches together, the reassembly. This is actually the DARKSIDE 3.0.
Ooh.
If you guys follow our YouTube channel, we've actually done several episodes on this customer, Brian, with AZ Elites and One Auto Movement.
It was first bronze.
Yep, and then we did the Forza.
And then we did
Fantasy.
the add-on, which
Yep.
was like the rear hips.
Then we did like an underhood.
Uh-huh.
Yep, so this is like our 4th time wrapping this car. Really special.
And now it is all different.
Same, but different.
Totally different.
Totally different. So this was a really cool design from Vimadness. This was our first time working with that designer. He's a really awesome guy. Made some amazing artwork.
Yeah.
As you can see behind us, we have a really cool kind of dark dragon theme with lots of bronze in it, and the little sneaker of this wrap, it's not even sneaky, is it's all reflective.
It's brushed reflective.
It's 3M 780 reflective with brushed laminate.
Yeah.
Which I don't think we've ever done that combo, reflective brush.
No.
Yeah, so very hard to work with material. If you guys have worked with brushed material, you know it's really hard to work with that grain and not bruise it.
Plus the reflective.
Plus the reflective is super thick, really hard to work with, but really cool end result. Check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
Check it out.
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our DARKSIDE 3.0 wrap upgrade for SEMA.
I sure did.
Oh, we enjoyed it a ton. I'm excited to see it outside.
It's a nice one.
I'm excited to see it at SEMA. That's what I'm most excited for.
Yeah. And he's got some bling blingy wheels on here that just,
Oh yeah,
it finishes it.
We went all out with this transformation. If you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. If you want to go above and beyond with a custom vehicle wrap, make sure to hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. Sayonara, see you again soon.
Hi.
Wait, hi?
Hi.
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 Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.